Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is chopping around down here, just moving sideways at the moment. This could be a B wave that's unfolding maybe still within the larger B wave. Okay, so just really want to focus on the shorter time frame here. In my view, the pressure is to the downside here as long as we are holding below the resistance area, yeah, and then it should give us one more wave down in wave C of E of 4. That's also pretty much in line with my Bitcoin analysis, even though the wave degrees are different and so on, and different wave count overall, but we're looking at an ABC structure. And it's possible that we had a 3-wave move down. It's a pretty clear 3-wave move down into the support zone, which is defined between 162.25 and 134.20. So this is a support zone where we are going to watch for reactions to the upside. The first one already occurred yesterday when the price touched here the 38.2 retracement. So you see the price is now dancing on that level at 162.25. I can take the red line out. That was just for structural support and the potential neckline for a head and shoulders pattern, but we broke it directly. So still though, it doesn't change the perspective that there's a good chance for a B wave with one more C to come. Is the B wave already unfolding? Bit difficult to say. It is what I'm tracking at the moment. Can I rule out one more low in wave A? No. Then I would call this here some kind of a 4th wave triangle, and the 3rd wave bottomed here. That is where this start of the C wave down here on Wednesday, it's a bit difficult to read. But for me, I've decided to label it like that. We have the resistance parameters anyway, you know. We know that trading for B waves isn't really particularly a great activity. Undertaking is very difficult. B waves are difficult to predict. They're the most difficult waves on charts. But yeah, ideally the A wave has bottomed. But okay, what can we do? I mean, if we get one more low below the $158 level, then the next support is already on the chart, right? It's $153.50. And there's a good likelihood we will react to it because we are already reacting to the 38.2 retracement. So we seem to be on the right track with our wave count because the Fib levels are being respected. That means at any point, however, we should be ready for a C wave rally in wave B. It might have started, you know, this could be a 1-2 setup. This is of course speculative until we break out above the A wave high at $169.60, but this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is all it needs really. I mean, maybe a rally to $175. That is the resistance level, or this is where the resistance area starts. Then we have 179.50 and 185.90 really, yeah. This is obviously, it's always impossible to say how exactly a correction will unfold, but it is, you know, we have an ABC structure. That's the roadmap to follow. The roadmap gives us levels, resistance, as well as support. And overall, I'm looking for trend continuation to the upside as long as we're holding $134.20. But in the very short term, we should get that BC pattern. It just would look best if this is really the E wave of an Elliott wave triangle, this triangle that we've been tracking with an A wave down, a B wave up, a C wave down, a D wave up. It would just look best with an A, B, C structure before we then go up. Again, very similar to what I track on the Bitcoin chart. Minimum requirements for the move down have definitely been fulfilled. It is a decent pullback into a support region, but looking at proportions, like from a qualitative standpoint, it would look better with a more substantial BC pattern. And yeah, when can we say that this C wave rally has started? Well, I can only repeat the number again. It is a break above $169 and yeah, okay, 40. But yeah, this isn't really, it's just giving us sideways action. So a bit in no man's land here. Again, can't rule out another low, but that B wave bounce is likely. This here is a bit too shallow for a B wave in my view, okay? So we have to be a bit flexible there, but overall there is currently no confirmation that the overall correction has finished, but I'll keep you updated. Either way, even if the correction is finished, we have the resistance parameters, so a break above 185.90 could indicate that something more directly bullish is going on. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.